Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikret. This video course is designed for those folks who are looking to get started with Apache Spark and Databricks. So the schema normalization is another common data engineering challenge. Let me explain this on the example of these two tables. So I have sales and the product information, which I have ingested earlier. Let's take a look at the structure of these data frames. So as you can see, my sales data contains product name alongside with some fact data. So things like quantity, sales amount, and so forth. My product data has all the properties related to product. So instead of ingesting this data as is, it makes sense to dedicate all the product related information in product table and include only link to that table within your fact tables. So in this case, we have product ID column, which is identity column for this table, for my product table. So ideally, I'd like to replace product name with corresponding product ID when I write into my fact. So let's see how we can do with PySpark. So in my command 112, I joined sales data frame with my product data frame on product name column. And I use left join because when you are joining fact to your dimensions, you may end up with some mismatch. So basically some product names which are in your fact tables may not present in your dimension table. So because of that, it's useful in many scenarios to use left join. And then I bring most of the columns from my fact table, but instead of bringing product name column from my fact table, I specify product ID, which is coming from product data frame. Notice that I have another transformation applied on top of this to address cases when I may have mismatch for certain products. So I'm using when functions, which we explored a little earlier, to check if the product ID from my product table is null. This is a case where I have mismatch scenario. And then I assign -1 as a key to these rows. Otherwise, I will just bring product ID as is. So as a result of this operation, my product ID column will be filled with fixed value of -1 for all rows where I cannot find a product name. So this is also called unknown dimension member. To have complete solution, you would add one row in your dimension table with -1 as a key. And then by including -1 for mismatch rows in your fact table, you basically create full match between your fact and dimension tables. So I don't have mismatch in my data set, so I won't be able to demonstrate that part, but you can use this technique to address mismatch scenarios.